In this video, you'll learn how to set up Shopify Payments in just a few minutes so you can start accepting credit card payments directly through your store with no third-party fees. First, sign in to your Shopify admin at shopify.com. Once you're in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, then select Payments from the menu to access all payment options. Next, in the Shopify Payments section, click Activate Shopify Payments. This will open a setup form where Shopify asks for your business and personal information to verify your identity and process your payments securely. Now, fill in your business details. Enter your business name, address, type, and tax information. Make sure everything matches your official records to avoid any delays in verification or payouts to your bank account. After that, add your personal information. Provide your full legal name, date of birth, and social security or tax ID number. Shopify uses this to comply with financial regulations and prevent fraud on your account. Once your information is submitted, add your bank account details for payouts. Shopify will deposit your sales directly into this account on a regular schedule, with full transparency on every transaction made. And that's it. Shopify Payments is now set up, and your store is ready to accept credit cards smoothly and securely.